Hello and welcome back to another video. We are doing a shorts and I guess one pair of pants video because I needed to get those pair of pants downsized a little bit more because they were a little bit too baggy for me. I'm sorry, I'm a millennial. I like my tight pants, especially after losing weight, because these pants about 2 inches on each side, or I want to say that's about 3 to 4 inches right there, but yeah, 2 inches on each side. These pair of pants, they have a weird bell-bottom effect, but I think it's because of that slit. And I noticed that slit, I could put my pocket through, or my hand through the pocket. So I don't know how that happened, because yes, I cut these, but I don't think I cut through the pocket. And then these were, they were okay, but again, at the top, I like it to squeeze a little at the top. Sometimes I don't wear a belt with my shorts, but this year I've grown to really like belts, and it's just, we're gonna do belts this year, and I can't deal with the bunching of the material with the belts. And even if I didn't wear a belt, I just can't stand them being loose and me walking around and then they slipping down. Also want to add, I might put a little card at the top right. I did the shorts and these pants, I did do in another video of how I added the material to the pants because they weren't bought like this. To be as sustainable as possible, reuse, reduce, recycle, all kinds of stuff where I can. I'm not like deep into that stuff, but I do not like to waste. So, and then these shorts, kind of the same as some of the others. They just didn't look right. A little baggy. They just need to be tailored. They just need to be form fitted just a little bit more. It just elevates it. I don't like, you can go from a 7, or I say 7, you can go from like a 5 to a 10 just with form fitted clothes. And these, again, were one of those pairs that were just super duper big. I don't know why I have so many different size shorts. Maybe I was taking those and putting a belt on them. And these are another pair of shorts that I added material to. And then, yeah. But let's get on with how I sewed them all together. So the first pair of shorts, these are the ones that had like 2 inches on each side that I needed to get rid of. I had to change my bobby pin. I made sure my bobby pin and the top stitch, or not bobby pin, the bobbin thread and the top thread matched. I switched my needle to a jeans needle, and it said it on the package what size it was or what gauge it was. But I used an all-purpose blue thread, but I normally use like an actual blue jean thread that goes, that, you know, you could put in the machine. And I just took off, I think I took off 1.5 inches, because when you're doing this, it is really bulky material. So 1.5 inches, once you cut the seams and, you know, flip them inside out, that seam is pretty thick. So you kind of lose 1.5 inches on material, but then the seam also kind of adds another inch or two because it's thicker. So it's going to be a little bit tighter. So you don't want to go too tight, or else that seam is going to really dig into you. So I just, again, took off at like 1.5 inches on each side. And once I cut those out, I cut the sides off, unless like you're confident that they fit perfect. So I always wait till the end to kind of see if they fit, but I don't show that part. So make sure you wear them first before you just cut the sides off, because you can always cut more, or you can always cut more, but you can't cut less, or you can't add what you cut off, you know what I mean? So this is the shorts that had the hole in the pockets because one day I accidentally cut into them, but it's all good. And I thought I got it perfectly lined up with that notch that was on one side, and nope, I did not. I also had to hand crank some parts of the shorts. Pretty much, like, there was like 1 or 2 pair that were really thick around the waistband, so I had to hand crank them. So wasn't really that hard as long as you're patient, slow. You know, sometimes it is hard to get that needle through, but you don't want to work super fast because you can bend the needle. You can also mess up the machine, and you want to make sure that you watch out for any metal buttons on your pants or on your jeans, shorts, pants. They're all on every single denim garment. There's like these metal buttons that you have to look out for, or else it will mess up your needle. And these pair of jeans I actually left inside out, and you will see that I cut whatever's left, and I'm going to wash these and let them fray. Now, I have not washed them yet. I don't know why, but towards the end, honestly, like, you can tell how they look, and it looks cute even though I haven't put it in the washer yet. But once I put it in the washer, it's going to mat up or fray really bad, but it's not going to mess with the integrity of the shorts. If anything, it'll actually make the shorts a lot more durable. Something about jeans, when you let them fray or let the material fray, it like makes them a lot more durable. So here I am cutting the sides, that way they can fray out. And then these are another pair of shorts, number 4. These are the ones with the material that I added on the sides. That was also another video that I'll see if I can put up another card to the right for y'all to see what I did to add the material in. But to reverse this, I just cut one side of the material. And you're not going to cut into the shorts, because I also did another video with a bunch of pants that I just altered, and I accidentally sewed back into the jeans, and I cut off the pair of jeans. But that's not the point of adding the material. Adding the material is to add to the jeans, and once you lose weight, you take away from the material. That way you can get the jeans back to where they were before you gained weight. So as you can see, I just cut off the material. You do not want to cut off any jeans, because we want to eventually get back to the final pair of jeans or what they were originally. Same with these jeans. We are just taken off a little bit of the material. You can just either bump the material over, or you can just cut off some of the material. That way you know for sure that you're working evenly down that seam. But in the end, this is what all of them look like. Yes, I have no butt. I wish I did, but final results, they're a lot more fitted. They're not too tight, but they're going to be awesome for summer. To me, it just looks so much better when you actually have them form-fitted. And I like distressed jeans. I like distressed denim. I think I'll wear these type of shorts until I'm like 50 years old. You know, 50 is the new 30, I heard. And there's something about shorts, jean shorts, that I love to death. Although I do like a nice pair of like khaki shorts and stuff, but I don't go anywhere nice. In the South, this is a staple piece, and I love them, and I love to add my little spin off of them, especially with like the material on the side. It just makes them more customized. Nobody else has shorts like mine, and these shorts I have had since like high school. Now these pants are going to be my favorite. They fit so much better when they are just form fitted. I like a straight leg jean, and I like them just slim. At least slim around the waist. Around the legs, I kept them pretty much the same, but I did cut off the bottom. I was going to roll them up, but I like it when it frays on jeans, so I'm going to let them fray at the bottom. But yeah. And then some of these are actually my husband's old work shorts, which is like another video that I did a long time ago. I made my husband's jeans into work shorts. So again, I have worn these jeans, I have grown into them, and I've grown out of them. These jeans have been through a lot. And I have not even bought a pair of denim jeans or shorts in forever because I've just kept these same ones over the years. So you could do a lot. Very sustainable. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have tried this. I'm trying to just do more of like the hobbies and the stuff that I love to do when I'm not taking care of kids, and I feel like it's important for other moms to see this kind of video or see videos like mine. Like, you just don't have to do one thing. You don't have to just be a mom. And a lot of people are like, well, I wish I could find time for myself to do that. You can. Just like, if you have a bassinet, bring the bassinet with you. You know, a lot of moms, I feel like they're like, well, I can't do that, I'm just not there yet. I have to push myself every day. I push myself like so hard, and I'm trying to batch a bunch of things today in the shed, doing a bunch of like skating videos too. But I'm also going to do some shorts that are not going to be a full video. They're just going to be a short because it's literally not enough content to make a whole video around. I will also be doing more house renovations because we want to paint the dining room now, the kids' playroom. I want to paint that white because it's bugging me. The gray is like, it used to be blue and then it was gray, but I still feel like it's blue, like a bluish gray in there, and I'm just gonna go white. And I also want to get like green curtains to go all through the house. So just follow me, subscribe. There's a lot of things else, and I'm about to get a job, so I might do some like day in the life, like come work with me type videos when I finally do get a job, because I do want to let y'all in on that, and I do want to share like how I'm a mom and how I'm able to balance all of this. It is hard to balance, I will say that. Like, it's not easy to balance having hobbies that you want to make into a career, or making a career so you can pay for your hobbies. Like, it's hard. So make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.